What are the best roofing shingles for the state of Minnesota? My name is Ted. I'm with the Sellers Roofing Company, and I get this question quite a lot. I get it actually a lot. So I wanted to do a quick video on what I think or what brand I think is the best shingle for the state of Minnesota. The first shingle I would say is going to be the Atlas Pinnacle. Um, that's a very good shingle. It's gonna be pretty pretty good in the cold weather, and it's also really good against hail here in the state of Minnesota. The second one I would say would be the IK Dynasty. That one, it's most of those are class 3 impact shingle, which means the shingle can handle up to 1.75 size hail. Very good shingle. We've installed that one a couple times on some roofs throughout Minnesota. Have never had an issue with it. It's very, very, very thick shingle. The next shingle, which is absolutely, in my opinion, the best shingle you can get for the state of Minnesota. It's like a Swiss Army knife. It pretty much can handle it all. It's going to be the Malarkey Vista. I can tell you that I installed the Malarkey the Legacy, which is top of the line shingle on my personal home. So that should tell you a lot about it. It's the Malarkey Vista is actually a class 4 shingle. It's pretty much, it's got rubber in it, rubberized. It's tight granules, extremely flexible shingle. Pretty much, in my opinion, like I said, is pretty much the top of the line shingle. It's definitely really good in hail, very good in cold weather. Matter of fact, over or up in Alaska, a lot of the Malarkey shingle is installed because it's so good in the cold weather versus others. We do install the Malarkey shingle. If you're interested in getting an estimate on getting that particular brand and wanting to know more information about that shingle or any shingle that we've discussed in this video, give us a call, 651-703-2336. We pretty much work with insurance, we do retail, we've done hotels, we've done, pretty much anything that has shingles on it we've done. So give us a call, or you can check out our website at www.roofingexpertsstpaul.com. And if you have any additional questions, give us a call. Thanks.